Can we get this video to 40 likes? Yes, we can. Maybe we can even pass that. So smash that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And also subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time I put a video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. yeah, everybody, that also did, like I said in the beginning, come and get this video to 40 likes. Yes, we can, so smash that like button. I would really appreciate it. And maybe we can even pass that and get to 50 or 60 likes. I would really appreciate it. And also subscribe if you are new, and share this video with your friends, and tell them to subscribe as well. And also comment shout out drawing up here to comment, because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Itachi Uchiha from the Naruto series. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, and I really love the colors and the overall outcome of the drawing. I added my own twist to the drawing because the reference I used did not have the Susanoo colors on Itachi, and I was inspired by the Sasuke drawing I made a while back. So hopefully you all enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making it. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlist in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you find some anime characters that I've drawn before they may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description, and I also have a Naruto and Boruto drawing playlist there, so check that out. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.